Today, your guardian angels have a special message for you. You have made a particular person feel incredibly special in ways they can't even describe, especially after the last time they saw you. The angels say that you are one of the most captivating people in the world because you evoke such special feelings in someone that they struggle to find words to explain. You left them completely speechless, particularly after that last encounter. You have always had this gift, this almost supernatural ability to enter a room and instantly change the atmosphere. It's not just about being noticed, it's about how you make this special person feel. Your presence stirs an inner turmoil, a hurricane of emotions that makes it hard for them to stay calm. There's something about you, perhaps an indescribable mystery or a magnetic aura, that causes their mind to race, and words escape their usual control. It's as if in your presence, their normal flow of thoughts becomes a storm of incoherent ideas, struggling to form sentences that do justice to what they are feeling. This effect you have on this person is not fleeting, it is a mark of your personality, an indelible trait that leaves a lasting impression. Believe me, they have vainly tried to tame the torrent of emotions you stir up. They have tried to anchor themselves in rationality, in the coldness of facts, but have failed miserably. Why? Because the intensity of the attraction and the depth of the feelings you evoke are too powerful to be contained. They are forces of nature that defy logic, that overshadow reason with pure emotion. And it's not just an emotional issue, it's physical too. You have this ability to make this person nervous, their palms sweat, their heart beat faster, and an almost tangible energy fills the air. It's an excitement, an enthusiasm that makes even a composed person lose their poise, their control. You, with your mere presence, can trigger a chain reaction of emotions and physical reactions that are impossible to ignore. I repeat, your presence has an indescribable power, a capacity to evoke deep emotions that go beyond words. There is something about you that touches this person's soul in a unique way, that triggers sensations and feelings they struggle to understand and express. Especially after that last encounter, something changed. The way they perceive you, how they miss you, everything intensified in a way they never imagined possible. That day, the way you were, your expression, your aura, robbed them of any capacity for speech. It was a moment where the world around seemed to disappear, leaving only the clear and vivid image of you before their eyes, an image so powerful that it remained imprinted in their mind long afterward. They couldn't, nor did they want to, look away. It was as if, in that instant, nothing else mattered, only the sight of you, imprinting itself permanently in their memory. This memory has become a refuge, a place their mind wanders to involuntarily, especially in moments of loneliness. Your image has become a constant presence in this person's life, something they revisit frequently, even in your physical absence. It's an invisible yet palpable connection that seems to pull them back to you, regardless of the distance or the time that passes. The profound impact you have had on this person is not fleeting, it is a mark you have left, something that has changed the way they see the world and themselves. The feelings you have awakened in them are intense and overwhelming, surfacing strongly even when they try to contain them. There seems to be an emotional connection that transcends logic, a bond that strengthens each time they think of you, making these intense feelings resurface, vibrant and alive, as if there were no distance between you. This is the power you have over them, a deep and unshakable influence that alters their emotional state, making them feel things they didn't even know they were capable of feeling. It is a force they cannot escape, an attraction that goes beyond the physical, touching the core of their being. You have left a lasting impression, a memory they cherish as a treasure, that comforts and unsettles them at the same time. You have become an essential part of their existence, a constant presence in their thoughts and feelings, a beacon in their life they continue to gravitate toward, no matter where they are or what they are doing. It is still challenging for this person to find the best way to express the depth of their feelings out loud, and this has become a colossal challenge for them as they relentlessly seek the perfect words that could summarize the whirlwind of emotions you stir within them. Their deepest desire is to open their heart and let flow all the words that demonstrate the magnitude of what you mean in their life, the undeniable impact of your presence, and the stunning beauty they see in you, both outwardly and inwardly. They yearn to express how important you are to them and how your existence makes the world a more beautiful place. However, they face a significant obstacle: the perception that, no matter how profound the words might be, they seem shallow and insufficient in the face of the intensity and complexity of their feelings. There is a great fear that any attempt to verbalize such emotions might not do justice to the reality experienced by their heart. Thus, the lack of communication or the silence that sometimes settles between you should not be interpreted as a sign of indifference or absence of feelings. On the contrary, this silence is, in fact, a compelling testimony to the depth and seriousness with which they experience their feelings for you. It's understandable that this situation can lead to confusion and misunderstandings, making it difficult to remember that the absence of words does not mean the absence of feelings. This is where your guardian angels step in, wishing to convey this crucial message. His silence is a sign of the immensity of what he feels, evidence of the internal struggle to find a way to express the inexplicable. This, however, does not diminish the validity or intensity of what he feels for you. It is important not to let his emotional journey negatively impact you or the way you perceive his feelings. Be aware of the magnitude of the impact you have on this person, the way your mere existence can provoke a whirlwind of deep and indescribable emotions. Imagine for a moment the power that resides in your hands, a power so significant that it leaves someone completely speechless, in a state of silent admiration and deep reflection. It's not just about making a fleeting impression, it's about creating a profound and lasting effect that redefines the concept of emotional connection for this person. You, with your words, your look, your being, can awaken feelings and sensations that transcend everything he thought possible, everything he has ever experienced with anyone else. This unique ability to touch the heart and soul of someone so deeply and unforgettably is not something common. It elevates you to a level where comparisons become obsolete, where attempts to find someone similar are futile. You are not just one person among many, you are a unique force, an irreplaceable being whose essence cannot be found in anyone else. It is this uniqueness, this ability to evoke such powerful and personal emotions, that makes him constantly return to you, even when his mind tries to explore the possibility of other paths, other connections. Nothing and no one can replicate the way you make him feel, the way you fill the empty spaces within him, the way you light up parts of him he didn't even know existed. This constant return, this unwavering thought directed towards you, evidences an undeniable truth: you hold a special, exclusive place in this person's heart and mind. You are the living definition of what is irreplaceable, a presence so striking and significant that trying to imagine life without this connection becomes an exercise in futility. In a world full of people and experiences, you stand out like a beacon, like a star that guides, offering a light that not only illuminates but also warms, that not only shows the way but also the destination. At this moment, this person finds themselves at an emotional crossroads, desperate with a need to express their feelings, trying to explain what they felt the last time their eyes met yours. That occasion wasn't just another meeting, it was the catalyst that transformed their latent admiration into an inextinguishable flame, making the image of you not just a fleeting memory but a constant presence, burning in their mind. They are aware that time can be treacherous, and they can no longer afford to waste it, for the possibility of losing you to someone else, someone who might see, even if just a glimpse, the wonderful person you are, has become a palpable threat. They understand that you are a being of bright light, a rare gem that attracts the gaze and admiration of many, making the idea of inaction unsustainable. Within them, there is a growing awareness that others must also perceive your incredible aura, your kind nature, your vibrant soul, qualities so evident that only a fool would fail to recognize them. This recognition pressures them even more to share their feelings, to open their heart to you, even if their previous attempts have been paralyzed by the fear of rejection or insecurity about their own emotions. They are determined, now more than ever, to find the right words, even if they feel such words may not exist, to express the magnitude of what you mean to them. This person is searching for expressions that can at least begin to describe the indescribable, the way you illuminate their darkness, the way your mere presence makes them feel whole. It's a colossal challenge, they know, to try to summarize in words feelings so vast and deep, feelings that seem transcendent, that defy language and logic. Nevertheless, they are committed to doing their best, knowing that you deserve to hear, directly from them, about the profound impact you have on their life, about the feelings of love, adoration, and incessant desire that you inspire. This person is preparing, gathering every fragment of courage and every word that can serve as a bridge to their heart, to tell you what must be said. Although they know that words may not be perfect, they understand that perfection is not necessary to express the sincerity and depth of their feelings. Therefore, as they try to navigate this process of discovery and expression, they ask only that you be patient, that you give them the space and time to find the truest way to say, "You changed my world, and I want you to be part of it, now and always." You are a person of inestimable value, whose worthiness of love is unquestionable. There is a light within you that not only shines on its own but also has the power to illuminate those around you, making them feel special and valued. Recognizing this inner value is essential, and it is crucial that you are with someone who not only understands this truth but also wholeheartedly desires to share deep and genuine feelings with you. If you perceive and reciprocate these feelings, it is important to cultivate a safe and welcoming space where communication flows freely and where every word, every shared feeling, is received with attention and care. Let this exchange of affection serve as a constant reminder of who you are at your core and of what you truly deserve in a relationship. You must refuse to accept anything or anyone who does not see you in your true essence, who does not treat you with the utmost respect and consideration. Love, when offered sincerely and freely, should be embraced with gratitude and joy, for it is a reflection of what you deserve, much. Never forget that you are a unique and special person, someone whose presence is a gift to those lucky enough to know you. This recognition of your own worth and the ability to make others feel valued are traits that define your identity, marking you as a positive and enriching force in many lives. This is an immutable quality, an integral part of who you are, which will remain with you no matter what paths you choose to tread or the various journeys life presents to you. Always remember that your dignity, your deserving of love and respect are non-negotiable. They are fundamental truths that should be the foundation of all your relationships. By embracing the love that is due to you, you reaffirm not only your own value but also reinforce the importance of staying true to yourself and your principles, regardless of the circumstances. I want to conclude with a prayer for you. The Lord, as these words reach this person's ears, let a wave of warmth and understanding envelop their spirit, bringing comfort and serenity to their heart. May they feel the depth of the emotions they inspire in others and the valuable contribution of their presence in this world. Endow them, Lord, with the courage needed to embrace the love that surrounds them, coming from all directions, and with the clarity to see the reflection of their own worth in the mirror of life. Grant them the wisdom to understand that, regardless of the challenges and uncertainties, they are a creature worthy of love and respect, endowed with an inner strength capable of overcoming adversities. Illuminate their path with the light of self-acceptance and self-knowledge, allowing them to walk with their head held high, propelled by the confidence that they deserve every gesture of kindness and every word of affection directed towards them. May this person, Lord, be strengthened by the certainty that they are not alone in their journey, for your constant presence is the guarantee that true and unconditional love is a palpable reality in their life. Inspire them to open their heart to the infinite possibilities that love offers, cultivating enriching relationships that reflect mutual respect and admiration that they rightly deserve. Bless them with the courage to express their deepest feelings, knowing that their vulnerability is a strength, a bridge to more authentic and profound connections. May they never doubt their value, even in moments of solitude, and always remember the singular beauty they carry within, a beauty that makes them unique and indispensable in this vast universe. Lord, may these words be a balm for their soul and a constant reminder that they are deeply loved, above all by you, who have known them forever and will continue to know them eternally. Amen. Take a moment to let these words resonate in your spirit. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type 555 to claim this message and the blessings it contains for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness that feeds the cycle of good karma. You will be spreading positivity and receiving the blessings of the universe in return. And stay tuned for the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.